Myself Venkat Sai Kumar from Golden Dazzlers group. My words are because. We have to pronounce it as because. Because. And the another word is long, but we have to pronounce as long. And the another word is honorable, but we have to pronounce it as honorable. And we have to pronounce in the eight as I. And we are pronouncing the word full as full. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Kodan Ramaya. I am from the team Golden Dazzlers. For my words are FOUR four and COOL cool and good GOOD good. It will be pronounced good. And
keep them completely up.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Nishan from Golden Dazzlers. Today my words are generally we call breakfast, but it's breakfast. And generally we call la, it's not la, it's la. And generally we call an environment, but it's environment. And generally we call as daughter, but it's daughter. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Pawan Kumar from Team Golden Dazzlers. Today my words are ARRANGE, it's not arrange. AWAY, it's not away. FOOD, it's not food. BOWL, it's not bowl. Thank you.
Good. Very good.
Good afternoon, Monica. I am from Golden Dazzlers team. Today, my words are generally we pronounce chair as chair, but it has to pronounce as chair. And next, we have to pronounce joy as a joy, and as treasure. And next word as we have to pronounce aim, but it has to pronounce as aim. And force as a force, and we have to pronounce foam as a foam. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Swati from Team Golden Dazzlers. My words are LANGUAGE. It is not language, it is language. Required, REQUIRE. It is not required, it is require. TRIAL. It is not trial, it is trial. PROECESS. It is not process, it is process. RECOGNITION is not recognition, it is recognition. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Harika from Golden Dazzlers. My words are, we pronounce a word like four, but it was pronounced as four. Teacher, danger, away.
Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon, one and all. Today my words are education, not EDUACTION, education. EXAMS, exams. EFFECT, effect. Effect. FIND, fine. FOUR, four. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Soumya from the Golden Dazzlers. Today my words are chocolate, not chocolate. War, not war. Earn, not earn. Pattern, not pattern. Correct, not correct. Thank you.
Good.